Hello children, welcome back to your maths class. I hope you all have enjoyed last two sessions and also finished your home assignment. Today we will study the next topic of the same chapter, long and short. So let's begin the session 3 and I am sure you all will enjoy. In the previous two sessions, we learned about the concept of long and short and also solved some word problems. I hope you all must have revised the chapter. Now, let's begin today's session. Page number 19. Let's have a look on the running exercise. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took one round of this field. How far did he run? Children, here you can see the field. Each side of the field is 500 meter. The doctor told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day. Following the instructions given by the doctor, Devi Prasad took one round of this field. Now the question is, how far did he run? Well, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Distance covered in one round of the field is 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500 meter, as each side of the field is 500 meter. If you add them, you will get 2000 meter. Children, can you tell me 2000 meter is equal to how many kilometer? Well, we all know 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore, 2000 meter is equal to 2000 divided by 1000 is equal to 2 kilometer. So, Devi Prasad ran 2 kilometer in one round of the field. The field was very far from his home, so he chose a park nearby. The boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. Children, here you can see the park. The boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. Let's have a look on the next question. How many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers? Well, Devi Prasad needs to run 2 kilometers. Children, as you all know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. That means 2 kilometers is equal to 2 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 2000 meters. Now, you all know that the boundary of the park is equal to 400 meters. So, one round of the park is equal to 400 meter. Therefore, the number of rounds to cover 2000 meter is equal to 2000 divided by 400 is equal to 5. So, Devi Prasad must run 5 rounds of the park to complete 2 kilometers. One day, the weather was very good and a cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. That day, he ran dash kilometer and dash meters. Children, you all know that the boundary of the park is 400 meter. So, one round of the park is equal to 400 meters. He took 8 rounds. That means 8 rounds of the park is equal to 400 multiplied by 8 is equal to 3200 meter. We know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore, 3200 meters is equal to 3000 meter plus 200 meter. Children, if you add them, that means 3000 plus 200, you will get 3200 meters. Now, as you know that 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer, then 3000 meters is equal to 3 kilometers. So, we can write 3 kilometer and 200 meters. So, 3200 meters is equal to 3 kilometer and 200 meter. Thus, Devi Prasad ran 3 kilometer and 200 meters. Page number 20. From Kozhikode to Talasheri. Subodh is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away. Manjani is going to Talasheri, which is 46 kilometers away in the opposite direction. How far is Kozhikode from Talasheri? Children, you know that the two people, Subodh and Manjani, are going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away, and Talasheri, which is 46 kilometers away in the opposite direction. The question is, how far is Kozhikode from Talasheri? Well, as the two places lie in the opposite direction, so we have to add them. That means the distance between Kozhikode and Talasheri is equal to 24 plus 46 kilometer is equal to 70 kilometer. Page number 20. How far is your home from school? Moman comes to school from very far. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond. With slippers in his hands, he then walks 150 meters through the pond. Next, he runs across the 350 meters wide green field. Then he carefully crosses the 40 meters wide road to reach his school. Children, can you imagine how far is his home from school? Here the question is, how much does Moman walk every day to reach school? Is it more than 1 kilometer? Well, as you all know that the distance covered by Moman to reach the pond is equal to 400 meters. Next, the distance covered by Moman to cross the pond is 150 meter. The distance covered by Moman to cross the green field is equal to 350 meter. And the distance covered by him to cross the road is equal to 40 meters. Thus, the total distance covered by Moman to reach his school is equal to 400 plus 150 plus 350 plus 40 meter. If you add them, you will get 940 meter. Now, we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. And 940 meter is less than 1000 meter. So, Moman walks 940 meter every day to reach his school, which is not more than 1 kilometer. Find out how far your friends live from school and fill the table. Write in meters or kilometers. Well, here the list of my friends and the distance of their homes from school are given below. As here you can see friend's name and the distance of home from school. First one Rashi 8 km, Anand 6 km, Shoma 400 meter, Gurjit 4 km, Rajesh 700 meter and Nitu 500 meter. Children, here the answers may vary. Here the question is, who among you lives nearest to the school? Shoma lives nearest to the school. The distance between her home to school is 400 meters. Next, who lives farthest from the school? Well, Rashi lives farthest from the school and the distance between her home to school is 8 km. Next, come to the next question. How many children live less than 1 kilometer away from your school? 3 children, Shoma, Rajesh and Nitu, live less than 1 kilometer away from the school. Is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometers away from the school? How do they come to school? 2 children, Rashi and Anand, live more than 5 kilometers away from the school. They come to school by school bus. Students, here is your home assignment. You have to solve these answers in your maths notebook. Along with that, you have to solve the try to find out from your textbook, page number 21 and 22. That's all for today. I have explained the whole chapter. I hope you all have understood and enjoyed the session. Now go through the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.